Welcome back to the channel. If you've seen the last couple episodes, this is usually the part where I would slowly slide a bag into view from whatever restaurant we are going to discuss this week, provide a brief monologue, and sprinkle in a couple jokes for your entertainment. But today, instead of talking about other people's food, we're going to be talking about mine. So this week on the Butcher Block, I would like to introduce a super simple series, Tony's Potatoes. I'm a firm believer that everyone can cook, and that will be the point of this series. While the fast food teardowns are to show you what you're eating, this series is going to be focused on what you are capable of, regardless of your skill. So let's get to it. As the title suggests, this is going to be super simple. For the ingredients, you'll need cooking oil of your choice, potatoes, we're using Yukon Golds, more on that in a moment, and your favorite seasoning, which in this house is Tony C's. Shout out to Mythical Kitchen for introducing me to Tony's in the middle of the pandemic. And for tools, you'll need a knife, a cutting board, and a mixing bowl. And of course a heat source. I recommend an air fryer so you can keep the oven available for whatever the main course is, but you can use an oven just the same. For the potatoes, you can use whatever you like. I prefer the Yukon Golds largely because of their buttery flavor, but also their medium starch content, which lets them hold their shape a little bit better, especially in the velocity of heat that happens in the air fryer. I prefer the little guys specifically though, because you just do one cut and you toss them in a bowl. Less cuts, less work, super simple. Let's get the rest of these chopped up and into the bowl. After we've chopped them up, we're going to give them a couple spritz of cooking oil, and then we're going to give them a good toss to ensure that they're evenly coated. Oh no! Potato down. After we've ensured that they're evenly coated, then we're going to bring in the man of the hour, Mr. Tony C. We're only going to do a light amount today because I do not want to scar the inside of my children's mouths. That should be good. Then we're going to give them another toss. Now that these are properly coated, we're going to place them in the air fryer for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, giving them a shake halfway through. In the description below, I'll go ahead and list the oven equivalent times as well. When they're done cooking, they will look a little something like this. They'll have a nice little char, and notice how their structure is still intact. They will, however, be as hot as the surface of the sun, so I suggest you let them cool off before you enjoy. While they cool off, I usually like to hit them with a little sawdust, that way it can bind to it while they cool. And for dipping, my go-to is the one and only A1. Before we get to dipping, let's go ahead and break one of these open and check out. Oh yeah. There you go. See inside there? No need for blanching. Fully cooked and also lava. See what this tastes like. Super savory, super sweet. There's really nothing wrong with this recipe. You just cut potatoes in half, put them in an air fryer, wait 20 minutes. 9 out of 10 recommend. Super easy side. I hope you enjoyed today's little segment on a simple side. If you did, drop a like and subscribe. It goes a long way to helping the channel, and it'll really, really mean a lot to me. And as always, until next time, remember to be kind.